Alright, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video for everyone. And today, in this video, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the KOSETON E10 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So today in this video, I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration, followed by two audio sample tests. The first audio sample test is going to be a leakage test, and then the second audio sample test is going to be an audio demonstration to the best of my abilities. Now today I just want to let everyone know, recording all the audio, we are using the OG himself, the Movo MA2010 omnidirectional microphone. Alright? And I just want to do a little bit of verification before we get started here. So y'all can see this is my Pixel 2 XL. And I just want to show y'all that I do have the earbuds connected up to the Pixel 2 XL. So let me give y'all a close-up real fast. Right there, y'all can see that. Boom. And then I also want to show y'all I have it set to max volume. So look at this. Let's max it out right here. So max volume right there. And y'all can see I got some copyright-free music pulled up as well. Alright, so real quick verification there. Let's rest this down. And now, let's get into the fitting portion of the video. So right here, just so everyone knows, I do not have the stock tips on. I do not have any of the tips on that came in the box. I have custom tips that I like to use, that I went out and got. I got a variety pack of some custom tips, and that's what I've been using. They're in the box somewhere down here, but I do have custom tips that I put on because the stock tips that I tried, they actually started irritating my ears, and then all the other sizes didn't do anything but make the irritation worse. So I went and I found my custom tips, and that's what I've been using. So if you look up on the screen here, you will see a nice close-up of the earbuds, and that is with the custom tips on the earbuds, okay? So all I can say to that is it happens. Sometimes you look at the included tips and you find the right fit. Sometimes you don't, and you need to go out and get some other tips that fit properly. Now, this is pretty common. It happens a lot. Like, one of my favorite sets of ear tips of all time are on the Baltune first generation earbuds. Back when I had those, I don't have those anymore. I notoriously took the tips off of that to put them on to whatever Bluetooth earbuds I was testing. So this ain't nothing new, but I learned a long time ago that it's good to have a nice pair of comfortable tips around. And shout out to one of my viewers for recommending a really nice set of quality earbud tips, and I can't appreciate it enough when you guys make recommendations. But if you check out what's on the screen now, you can see a nice close-up of the earbuds, and I gotta say, these look pretty good, and with the right tips on them, they fit pretty good as well. So, just wanted to get that out the way. Now let's get into this fitting demonstration. So y'all can see this is a front profile shot of what the earbuds look like in my ears. And you can see they're not even really noticeable. So you can't even tell that I have them in. You got to pay special attention to my ears here. So really good, very discreet, very comfortable with the right tips on. I like it. Now, turning to the left, giving y'all a nice close-up of the right earbud here. I gotta say, it fits really, really good. No complaints. No complaints whatsoever. Alright? Now, giving y'all a close-up of the left earbud here, you can see it's pretty much the same thing. Very nice, very comfortable fit with some very, very good sound isolation. I can barely hear myself talk right now. Okay? So this about does it for the fitting demonstration. And as always, if this is unclear, I'll have a B-roll shot up for a really nice crispy fitting demonstration for y'all. Alright? So that does it for the fitting demonstration. Let's get into the audio samples here. Let's go. So let me push play on the copyright-free music, and I want y'all to let me know if you hear any leakage. Here we go. Ooh! Yeah, boy. All right. Let me stop it here. We don't want to make this video too long, but I gotta let y'all know. Ooh, that's crazy. Wow. Yeah, I haven't really been listening to these at 100% volume, so I didn't really know what to expect. But man, that sounded good. Now, I've been testing these for a minute, but I've been testing them at 35 and 50% volume, and 50% volume sounds perfect. 35% volume sounds a little quiet, but man, at 100% volume, these bad boys come alive. That bass was hitting. It was nice and crystal. It was nice and crystal clear and sharp with nice instrument separation on it. Whoo! Yeah, these bad boys sound nice. These bad boys sound real nice. So that's my overall opinions of the sound quality, the volume, and the bass. These are actually really, really good, and I'll be sure to reiterate that on the full review. And y'all let me know if y'all picked up any leakage coming off of there for that leakage test. Now let's rewind the track. I'm gonna start the track here. We're gonna hold the earbuds up to the mic, and I'm gonna give y'all a nice audio sample to the best of my ability. Let's go. Push play. And let's hold them up. And hope we don't drop them. Give y'all 30 seconds starting now. Okay, 10 more seconds. Okay. That's good. Let's stop the music. Alright. And this pretty much does it, everyone, for the fit and sound demo of the KOSETON E10 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. As always, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, you know what to do. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope y'all are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.